Hey testers, in the fast-moving field of software development, ensuring high quality and reliability is of utmost importance. However, creating and managing complex systems can lead to the appearance of bugs and problems. To effectively deal with these issues and ensure a smooth project flow, organizations have adopted the use of bug tracking tools. These tools help us keep track of and manage software defects efficiently. Userback is one such bug tracking tool that facilitates website and app teams in collecting user feedback via screenshots, annotations, and comments. This valuable information helps teams better comprehend user suggestions and issues. The LambdaTest and Userback integration offers a smooth and efficient solution for tracking and handling bugs identified during cross-browser testing. Thanks to this integration, developers can effortlessly report bugs from LambdaTest directly to their Userback instance, eliminating manual tasks and streamlining the process. This user-friendly approach makes bug handling hassle-free, enhancing the overall testing experience. Now, let's get started with setting up the LambdaTest and Userback integration. To get started, you would require a LambdaTest profile. You can create your profile by heading over to the LambdaTest website. The link is given in the description below. Head to Integrations and look for Userback. Click on the icon to add it. You will have an instance window asking for your email ID, Userback host, and API token. Now log into your Userback account to get access to these required credentials. Click on your profile avatar and select Workspace Settings. In this window, you will find your Userback host. Your workspace URL will be a Userback host only. To find your Userback API token, click on the API token tab from the left sidebar. Click on Create API token, enter your preferred token name, and click Create. After copying the required credentials, paste them into your instance window and click Install. And there you go. You have successfully integrated your LambdaTest account with Userback. Now, let's see how you can use the LambdaTest and Userback integration to optimize your workflows while seamlessly logging bugs. In your LambdaTest dashboard, select Browser Testing under Real-Time Testing. Enter your website's URL, set your preferred device, browser, and OS combination, and click Start. Upon clicking, a cloud-based virtual machine will fire up, running real browsers and operating systems where you can test websites and web apps for filing bugs. Now click on the Mark as a Bug icon on the left sidebar. With this feature, you can highlight and mark bugs using different tools. After highlighting the bugs, click on the bug icon present in front of the Userback integration. Now enter the required credentials, such as the project name, summary, and description, and click on Mark as Bug to raise the ticket in your Userback instance. To find your marked bug, head back to your LambdaTest dashboard, then select More Tools and click on Issue Tracker. Here, you will find your recently marked bug. Click on the arrow icon to view the issue directly in your Userback instance. And now you have seamlessly logged bugs directly into your Userback instance. Check out our detailed support doc to set up this integration and take your testing workflow to the next level. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to the LambdaTest YouTube channel for more such videos.